Today I will talk about how can you change name on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on personal data, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on your name here, and here can you change your name, click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.